Hello Bismuth users, this is BitSignal. In this video I'm going to sync my local Bismuth node with the network using a snapshot. Why using a snapshot? Because it should be way faster to sync with the network. So while we are here in the terminal, I'm still going to open up the node. It will take a while to connect and I should be many blocks behind, so it would in theory take a really long time to to sync with the network. In the meantime, I'm gonna go over to the GitHub page and this is a really nice tutorial on how to use a snapshot using a script which is called snapshot download.py. I will put the link to this tutorial in the description of the video, okay? So when we head over to the hypernodes.bismuth.live site, we see there are 3 snapshots, and the first one is the latest one, okay? And that's the one we are going to download and then execute the script or run the script. And then we should be ready to go. Now let's go back. We see here now, what do we see? Yeah, here, let's see how far we are behind. Well, I could just check the block height here, but I'm gonna wait a couple seconds. All right, now here we see it. We are behind 26k minutes. So that's, we could wait all this time, but I'm going to stop now the node. All right, this command should stop it. And we are going to start over again, trying to get to the latest blocks. With this file here, it's this one here. Well, if you're on a Linux machine, you could run this command. I'm gonna run a different one. Just gonna copy this location. Head over. We are still here. Yeah, I'm gonna clear it out. And you see that I'm still within the Bismuth directory. Now I'm downloading. It is downloaded. It should be snapshot download. That's the file right here. Let's go over. And then we just run it. Okay, then we have to select which snapshot, 1 through 3. I'm going to choose the first one. Snapshot. All right, we're just going to put 1 in here. Put enter. And then we will see. This could take a while also, because we are loading now. Downloading the file. And we're just gonna wait and see what happens. And after it has been downloaded, the file will be executed and the node should run. All right, we now have downloaded about 45% of the Bismuth ledger, so we still have to wait a little. All right, we have now downloaded the ledger. We are at 97%, so it should be shortly over. And after the snapshot has been downloaded, the script validates the ledger, which means the file hash, the block hashes, and the difficulties will be validated. And if everything of this information is correctly validated, the script will just end, and well, then you are ready to start your node. So yeah, it's right now extracting the tar file, and we will see how this will work out. So this should also take some time. We are seeing now that Bismuth difficulties are being verified, and it says that all difficulties in the local ledger are valid. Just want to mention on a side note, we have now almost 1 million blocks. Okay. Just going to start the node now. Okay, we will see now. Hold on. Okay, the last time I opened the node, we could see that we were around 26,000 minutes away from the latest block. And now we're only 370 minutes away. So this is a shorter time period for us to catch up. So this will be rather easy, okay? It will not take this long. Now, yeah, so it will start in a second, and we are seeing 234 minutes left to catch up. And yeah, the last block was 989,286. That's the last block. But we still have to wait a little. So, well, that's about it. So we have now the script executed, we downloaded it, the script validated also the ledger. Yeah, and we have a real time advantage if we just use the script instead of just opening up the node and syncing from the network. Okay, that's it for now, and thanks for watching.